Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome. Welcome back with the fourth. Yes, it's the fourth, last puzzle in today's newspaper on Thursday, November the 17th, 2022. In this additional, I've already solved three puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and a binary. And one puzzle is left. Yes, the Tectonic with 4 stars. And this will be number, I believe, number 5498. Yes, this one will be 5498. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 12 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. I do not know. We will see, but for a 4-star puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars? I do not know. We will see. 30 minutes or more. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? I see here single box, there single box, always a 1. Single box, always a 1. We have here dual boxes. I see here dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. More dual boxes, no, triple boxes. I see here, triple box, there, triple box, there, triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and 3. Well, this box should be a 1 then. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. So this box is 4 or a 5. Here also a triple box. Those 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Those 2 boxes are reserved for the 2 and the 3. 2 and 3. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Here the other side, the 5 is already filled in. Alright, this triple box, this box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, the box near the middle box, the inside box is always 4 or a 5. Alright, quadra boxes. Do we have quadra boxes? Next question. Quadra box, where are you? No quadra boxes. Alright, then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Alright. Do we have more? Yeah. Rotate it. This box has the same name as that box. Alright. Only 2 of them. Yes. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? We have the T shape here. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. But also that box has the same name as this box. So that box has the same name as this box. Alright. Here another T shape. This box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2 there. And that box has the same name as this box. So in this case, it's a 3 then. Alright. More T shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Alright. Only 1 of them. Yes. Do we have more shapes? No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Oh, only 3 of them. Yes. 1, 2, 3 in this puzzle. Maximum are 6 that you need to recognize, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then, the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 there. That means that those two boxes can be a 1. If I place the 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. Alright, so here can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this triple box. Should be there. Alright. These two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Then. Oh, this box can be a 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there and a double 2 there. If I place a 1 here or 2 there, I cannot fill any 1 or any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 2, 1 and 2. So 1 digit left in this T-shaped area for number 4. Alright, I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me see. So 2 numbers left here for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. That means we have a double 2 there. That means, yeah. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 5 anymore. We have, if I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So the 5 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. So 1 digit left in this W area shape for number 4. Alright. Okay. Then. These two boxes can be a 4. So and that box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Yeah. These two boxes. So 1 should be here. I'm thinking. 1, 5. Yeah. Oh well, I have a double 5 here, and here also double 5. But I cannot place the 5 here. If I place the 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 5 there. The 5 supposed to be here then. Okay, 1, 4, 5, 2 and a 3. Alright. These two boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. So this can be a 2. 2. Okay. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, and it can be a 4. We have a 4 in the same area. So definitely a 5. Now we have a 5 here. This box can be 5 anymore. So this box should be a 4 then. I've marked this box with a 4 or a 5. Alright. Yeah, this box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be 3. Can be 4, can be 5. 2 or 1. Alright. Let me think. These two boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 3 there because we have a double 3 there. If I place the 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 should be there. Alright. So this box can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 goes in those two boxes. That means that this box can be a 2 anymore because we have a double 2 there. If you place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and 3. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2 and a 3 and not the 1. So I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. Okay. 1 box left in this W area shape for number 1. These two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, so 1 box left in this area for number 4. Alright. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, so we also a 2. Alright. Okay, this box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now. So no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. So 2 numbers left in this W area, same for numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and 3, I cannot place the 2 here because we have a double 2 there. So the 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 4, it goes there. 1 and 5. Can I fill this yet? No. Uh-huh. Alright. Then. Let me see. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes throughout the 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. 1. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I can fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. It can be a 2, should be a 3, can be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Yeah. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. Alright. Then let me see. Come on, this box can be a 2, so the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair, so 1 digit left in this area for number 5. Okay. Yeah. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. So the 4 and the 2. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Okay. Think. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, let me think. This box can be 2. Well, this box can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. So no 2 here. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. But it's not helping me. This is not helping me. 1, 2, 3. Well, this box can be a 1, can be a 2. We have a double 2 there, can be 3. So this box should be a 4 or a 5. And it is connected with that box, should be also 4 or a 5. Okay. Need a 2 here. 1 and a 2. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Overlooked. We have a double 1 there. So here supposed not to be a 1 here. Here can it be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be here then, because those 2 boxes can be 1. Okay. So I've eliminated a 2 here, so the 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5, okay. Oh, overlook this one, 1 and a 2. Overlook this one, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be and a 2 goes there. Overlooked, overlooked. This box is connected with that box, should be also 1. 1 box left in this dual box for number 2. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be and a 5 goes there. 4 and a 5. Well, we have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 4, it goes there. So 1 digit left in this W area shape for number 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also 5. Alright. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. I marked those 2 boxes with a 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2 and a 4. And 1 box left. Also for the 2 and a 4. Yeah. This box can be a 2. So the 2 goes together with the 3. Well, I cannot place the 2 there because we have a double 2 there. So this box should be definitely a 3. And 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Okay. 1 box left in this W area shape for number 5. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. This box should be a 4. And this box is connected with that box should be also a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 2. Alright. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2 and have a... Oh, yeah. So 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Cannot fill this yet. Well, we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. This box can be a 2, but also that box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Oh, of course, these 3 boxes can be a 3. We have a 3 now. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Wow, 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 wow. I'm surprised. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again tomorrow. Tomorrow on Friday, new week. No, not new week. Last day of the working week. Yeah. So have a great and fantastic Thursday. See you then. Until then, bye bye for now.